Hey travelers, welcome back to Kysersis, your guide to smarter, lighter and more adventurous journeys. If you've ever found yourself lugging around an overstuffed suitcase only to wear half the clothes you packed, this one's for you. Today we're diving into how to pack light for any trip and still have everything you need. Let's go. First off, let's talk about the mindset shift. Packing light isn't about sacrifice, it's about strategy. It's not what you leave behind, it's what you choose to bring with purpose. Start with the right bag. Ditch the massive checked luggage and aim for a carry-on. Whether it's a rolling suitcase or a travel backpack, limiting yourself in size forces you to pack smarter. Bonus, you skip baggage claim and avoid the risk of lost luggage. Now, let's talk clothing. The rule of threes is a great guideline. 3 tops, 3 bottoms, and 3 pairs of underwear. Add in 1 or 2 versatile layers and you're golden. Everything should mix and match so you can create multiple outfits from just a few pieces. Speaking of clothes, go for neutrals. Blacks, whites, greys, and navy work well together and layer easily. Throw in 1 pop of colour if you want to spice things up. Shoes. The ultimate space killer. Here's the rule. No more than 2 pairs, 1 casual and 1 functional. If you're going somewhere fancy, make your casual pair stylish enough to pass. Wear the bulkier pair while travelling. Let's talk about fabrics. Choose wrinkle-resistant, quick-dry materials. Not only do they pack better, but you can also wash and dry them quickly in your hotel sink or Airbnb. Merino wool is a traveler's best friend, odor-resistant, temperature-regulating, and easy to care for. Next up, packing cubes. These things are magic. They compress your clothes, keep your bag organized, and make unpacking at your destination a breeze. You'll know exactly where everything is. Here's a quick bonus hack. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. This saves space and keeps them less wrinkled. Combine that with packing cubes, and you'll be unstoppable. Don't forget your toiletries, but keep it minimal. Most accommodations offer shampoo and soap. Stick to the essentials, and opt for solid versions when possible, like solid shampoo bars or deodorant. No worries about TSA liquids limits, and they last longer. Tech time. Take only what you need. Phone, charger, maybe a universal adapter, and earbuds. If you must bring a laptop or tablet, make sure it's actually something you'll use. Bonus tip. Use cloud storage to access important docs instead of carrying USBs or paper. For your personal item, choose something functional. A backpack or tote that can double as your day bag. Make sure it's comfortable, has compartments, and can hold your essentials like passport, wallet, snacks, and entertainment. Here's a clever one. Layer your heaviest or bulkiest clothes on travel days. If you're bringing a jacket or boots, wear them on the plane. It saves space in your bag and helps with unpredictable airplane temps. Let's talk accessories. Keep it minimal. A scarf that doubles as a blanket or pillow, a compact reusable shopping bag, and maybe a small packable raincoat. Multi-use items are your best friend. Laundry is your secret weapon. Don't pack for 14 days when you can pack for 7 and do laundry once. Most places have laundry services or washing machines, or you can DIY in the sink with a bit of soap. The just-in-case items. Most of them stay unused. Be honest with yourself. Unless it's a medical necessity or extremely hard to find where you're going, leave it. You can always buy something small if you really need it. Want to take it even further? Try the 5-4-3-2-1 method. 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 3 accessories, 2 shoes, 1 swimsuit or jacket. Modify as needed, but the structure helps you stay intentional. Here's another big tip. Pack with your itinerary in mind. Look at what you're actually doing day to day. If there's one fancy dinner, do you need a whole formal outfit? Or just a dress shirt or necklace to dress things up? Remember, comfort quantity. If you've got 3 outfits you love and feel confident in, you'll enjoy your trip way more than if you're juggling 10 mediocre options. Digital tools can help. Apps like PackPoint build a packing list based on your destination, length of stay, and planned activities. Super helpful for staying on track. Packing light isn't just about your suitcase. It's about how you travel. You move faster, save money on baggage fees, skip airport lines, and reduce stress. It's freedom. And one last reminder. Packing light is a skill. You might overpack the first time, and that's okay. Learn from each trip. Soon you'll wonder why you ever traveled with so much. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, drop a like, leave a comment with your favorite packing hack, and don't forget to subscribe to Kysersis for more travel tips. Remember, pack light, travel far, and adventure smart. See you next time.